Learn how to make money with photography in Zambia by taking pictures. It's an amazing dream to take a hobby you love and make it a way to earn cash. You can make this dream a reality if you love photography. Regardless of whether you take pictures for years or you are new to the industry, there are many ways of making money from this talent. Photography can become a profession for you, depending on how much work you put into it. Even in your spare time, it is a perfect side stress to make extra money. I have reduced the top 10 for you to consider by hundreds of potential ways to make money from photography. Take pictures for small businesses in Zambia. Every company needs visual content. The desire was never greater for the website or social networks. You can sell your services to local businesses if you have a good camera and basic photography skills. Please drop and contact them by phone or email, or introduce yourself in person. You can photograph your shop, your items, your vehicles, or even your employees. Professional shots of food from the web, a digital menu, or social media posts may be required for local restaurants. There are countless possibilities here. Take a couple of shots in front of your work if you are new or have problems putting your foot anywhere in the house. Let's just say you want a nearby pizza shop to work with, for instance. Take a few pictures of the exterior of the house. Go inside, pick up your food, and take some photos of it. The efficiency of your work can be demonstrated now when you approach the owner. Teach photography skills in Zambia. You can sell your expertise across a number of platforms and newspapers, if you have mastered the art of photography. Try writing the simple, intermediate, and digital photographic capabilities ebooks or digital tutorials. This is the fastest way to meet as many people as possible. You may have to do a few things to do it, but the cost is very small and consists mostly of your time. You can also sell seats to webinars for photography. You must give a live streaming audience, in that case a photography lecture. In-person lessons will be the highest paying photography class. You will charge photographers in your area for one-on-one or small group sessions. By offering free photography lessons, you can also make money. Download a number of videos on YouTube photography. You can monetize them with advertising revenues if you push enough traffic to those videos. Sell your original photographs online. You probably have hundreds, perhaps thousands of images stored on your screen, cloud, or external hard drive if you have been a photographer for some time now. Create and sell the best shots of your portfolio. This can be achieved in a variety of ways. One way to store photography websites is to upload your images. Through licensing pictures of your work, you will obtain commission from sites such as Shutterstock, iStock, and BigStock. You may also deliver physical prints to sell your work at a higher price. Use a common builder of websites such as Wix or Squarespace. All sites have similar photo sale tools and apps. You can also carry your original prints to local markets and art fairs. Sell them in person, register for a booth. You will have to do even else and spend your money on prints in advance. Yet hundreds or even thousands of dollars can be available in larger prints at these events. Blog about photography in Zambia. Do you need a blog site? Contact me now. With photography you can make money without selling a video. Try launching a photography blog if you have good writing skills. You will publish endless topics on your blog. Below are a few general thoughts to help you think in the right direction. Camera reviews, photography tips, tricks and best practices, editing software tutorials, best bags for the storage and transfer of camera, niche photography categories. The list goes on and on. Here are some general stuff to do with your mind. For some additional methods, such as selling picture and teaching, you can also use your blog as an extension. When your blog starts to attract traffic, you can monetize it in several ways. You can sell space, digital goods, prints, or you can even enter a network of photography affiliates. Let's assume, for instance, that you are an affiliate of Canon. You can use your affiliate connection to guide your visitors to the Canon website if you write reviews of their items. You can receive 2.5% plus in commission when someone shops using your recommendation. In view of the selling for thousands of dollars of these cameras, you can easily add up your fee. Partner with real estate agents in Zambia. The process of home buying works in a digital way, like most industries. Also, businesses with a wide variety of high-quality images are considered online by buyers. It has brought strong demand for professional immobilizing photographers. Agents are prepared to shell photographers huge bucks that will help them sell their homes. Within only 1 or 2 hours, you could possibly photograph the entire inside and outside of a building. At least a few $100s will easily pay for these types of work. The agent will be given the opportunity and budget to pay you extra for your job if you take pictures of a high-quality home. To give the whole package to your real estate customers, you would definitely need excellent picture editing skills. Furthermore, if you have a partnership with many performers, anytime you mention a new property you will build a nice stream of ongoing income. Become a social influencer in Zambia. One of the most economic ways to make photography money is through social media, uploading your photos. I'm sure most of you already have an account with Instagram. If not, it's safe to make one. Dedicate the photography on your Instagram account. Learn how to get more followers, use related hashtags, and connect with other visual pages. You will optimize the following by collaborating with brands. Once you start attracting thousands of supporters, industries will provide you with incentives to advertise their goods and services. The more people you watch, the more money you'll spend. For instance, you might be paid for by a backpack and luggage company to display its bags for camera equipment. A protein bar company could pay you for a snack while shooting in the open. There are infinite possibilities. Since years now, influencer marketing is on the rise with no signs of slowing in the immediate future. Many marketers invest on influencers with larger budgets. The road can be long at first if you start from scratch. But once you get to this 10K line, making money with this is much easier. Make use of photograph events in Zambia. Develop a niche by offering photography services during events. Such workers can vary from a few hundred to thousands of dollars depending on their results. Examples of events are birthday parties, school plays, town fairs, weddings, bar mitzvahs, anniversary festivals, business activities. The pay will naturally vary according to the ability level and the nature of the event. A small family birthday party, for instance, would generally be no more expensive than a full-day wedding where you need to go to many locations. Master your editing skills in Zambia. To learn how to use tools for photo editing is as precious as to know how to take great shots. Many other imaging techniques for making money can also be used for photo editing. For example, you can teach the use of different editing software to other photographers. You can also enter the software affiliate editing program and offer editing tips on your blog. When you deal with models, editing would certainly be useful. You may want to touch, enhance, and brush some of their images before you think about sending pictures to magazines or uploading them to your personal portfolio. Do you live in an area with excellent photo opportunities? Start your local photo tour. You know all the best places to catch such photos is a local one. Perhaps you live by the beach and are aware of the ideal place to take sunset. Or maybe you live in town and know how to get a cool look at the houses. Has your city an old district with ancient buildings and a lovely fall foliage? You should take other photographers on a local tour irrespective of the situation. The quality of these tours varies according to a variety of factors. For instance, people are ready to pay more money on a full-day trip, with transport available to several locations compared to a 2-hour walk. Nevertheless, depending on your availability, capital, demand, and location, you can decide these terms. Join 1 or 2 of your photo competitions. If you win the right contest, you might strike gold. You can also have a big effect on your brand if you win the right competition. To date, $290,000 have been awarded in cash by the International Photography Awards. Through a photo exhibition, they donate $47,500 through cash prizes. Annual photo contests take place at the National Geographic. Although it could be a long-term exposure that thousands of dollars are earned in a big photo contest, you can make money by using certain methods and obtaining the picture. In addition, you will also get a cash reward for your entry. This is all I had for you. If you learned something, give this video a like and subscribe.